Now we are going to start a fresh subject. You all are aware as per the discussion we had, and the subject we are starting is the property law is the subject we are going to start. As I have already told you that this particular subject is not only important from the exam point of view, but this subject is very important from the side of your practice also, because generally a lawyer used to do the practice of drafting, pleading and convincing. Okay, drafting and pleading, these two part are relates to the court practice, and to convey, that is convincing practice, means to transfer. Now see, the property can be transferred basically in the two way. One way in which a property can be transferred is that intestate transfer of the property. When person dies without making the will, his property passes to his legal heirs automatically. And the another way by which he can make a transfer of property is he can make a will. You all are aware of. Okay? In the family law, you have gone through the concept of the will. And the another way in which a property can be transferred is a transfer of property by one living person to another living person. And that transfer of property by one living person to the another living person is discussed under the Transfer of Property Act 1882. Because here what we are going to do is a sell. Okay, I have a house and I want to sell that particular house to Mr. A. In that case, I am a living person. Mr. A is a living person. So when a transfer is made, interviewers, you are going to have one word which may be in the objective paper also asked. Interviewers, that is a transfer between two living person is considered as the interviewers. आणि जर टू लिव्हिंग पर्सन मध्ये प्रॉपर्टी ट्रान्सफर होत असेल तर मग लॉ कुठला लागू होणार सांगा, ट्रान्सफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी ऍक्ट 1882. बाकी तुम्हाला माहित आहे इंटरस्टेट ट्रान्सफर होत असेल तर कुठला लॉ लागू होणार सांगा, हिंदूंना हिंदू सक्सेशन ऍक्ट, मुस्लिमना त्यांचा पर्सनल लॉ इंटरस्टेट सक्सेशनला म्हणजे विदाउट मेकिंग विल. आणि जर विल केलेली असेल तर लॉ कुठला लागू होणार सांगा, इंडियन सक्सेशन ऍक्ट काय होणार तर हिंदूंना लागू होणार आहे तिथं. ओके, सो इन ऑल आपण कुठलं ट्रान्सफर बघणार आहे सांगा तर इंटरव्ह्यूअर्स ट्रान्सफर. कारण आपल्या प्रॅक्टिसचा हा खूप महत्वाचा भाग आहे. सेल, गिफ्ट, एक्सचेंज, मॉर्गेज हे डे टू डे लाईफ मध्ये आपल्याशी काय होतात तर रिलेट करत असतात ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डील विथ इन ऑल 3 बेअर ऍक्ट इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर सब्जेक्ट. या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये आपल्याला एकूण किती ऍक्ट बघायचे सांगा तर 3 बेअर ऍक्ट आपल्याला बघायचे. नाउ व्हाट आर द 3 बेअर ऍक्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर सब्जेक्ट? नंबर 1, ट्रान्सफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी ऍक्ट 1882. Okay. Number 2 subject we are going to have in this particular topic, property law, is the Maharashtra Apartment Ownership Act is another law we are going to discuss. कारण जर अपार्टमेंटचं ट्रान्सफर होत असेल, म्हणजे आपण जो अपार्टमेंट मध्ये राहतो त्या प्रॉपर्टीचं ट्रान्सफर होत असेल ना, तर ट्रान्सफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी ऍक्टच्या प्रोव्हिजन लागू होत नाहीत. ओके, त्यावेळेला कुठल्या प्रोव्हिजन लागू होणार सांगा तर हा स्टेट लॉ आहे, महाराष्ट्र ओनरशिप ऑफ अपार्टमेंट ऍक्ट 1972 is the law which we are going to discuss. And another important law, very very important law we are going to discuss, and that law we are going to discuss is the Indian Easement Act 1882. So in all 3 top acts we are going to discuss in this particular subject. Transfer of Property Act 1882, Indian Easement Act 1882, and Maharashtra Ownership of Apartment Act 1970. Now have you all heard this particular word easement? easement शब्दाचा अर्थ काय आहे बघा आता इथं.